Let's vary the brightness of LED which is connected to pin number 6 of my Arduino board. Okay, so we don't need to represent voltage and bits also. Okay, so in front panel, drag your horizontal progress bar. Okay, so let me increase its size, or let us change its color to red. Okay, and its scale also 0 to 255. Alright, okay, it is connected to pin number 6 of my Arduino board. Alright, now let's increase its font size also. Okay, now go back to your block diagram. Here's my block diagram. So pin number 6. Now we need to declare our LED first. Okay, so for that, just copy and paste the input output function. Connect the Arduino resource and error out. Alright, and my pin is pin number 6, which will act as an output. Right, okay, so here is the potentiometer read function. Okay, it will give you only 0 to 5 value. Okay, so we need to convert that 0 to 5 range into 0 to 255. Alright, so let's do math again. 255 divided by 5, 51. It means if I multiply the 0 to 5 signal with 51, okay, so it will give me 255 bits. Alright, now you also need to write the value, which is PWM, right? Okay, now first of all connect your Arduino resource. Okay, now here you have to write the duty cycle, and 255 is coming from here, and here you need to declare your pin, which is pin number 6. Okay, that's it. Okay, now go back to your front panel. Here's my front panel. Search for your Arduino board. First of all, let me connect my Arduino. Okay, here's COM3, now hit run button. Alright, if I gradually rotate my potentiometer, you can see my LED is varying its brightness. There is some problem in my potentiometer, so it's not going to fully 0. Okay, that's it. Okay, now let's do our next exercise.